Jaleo Musa up here off our latest album, Offbeat Tracks, and We're going to continue with a song from that album. It's a folk song, an American folk song that was first collected turn of the 20th century by the fantastic folk song collector John Lomax, who collected songs from all over the world. Now this particular one, he went down to the Brazos River in Texas, and he heard a woman singing as she washed her clothes in the river. And he hadn't heard this song before, so he wanted to collect it, and he asked her to sing it again so that he could write it down. She said she would, but only if he paid her a bottle of gin, which my kind of woman, really. I'm really glad he did pay her a bottle of gin, because without that we wouldn't have this song. And her name was Dink, so forevermore this song's been known simply as Dink's Song.
To the warm bright dawn. short set with you, but we don't understand you as strangers. So let me introduce you to, on the oud and the guitar and vocals, it's the wonderful Mr. Frank Moon. To my left here, all the way from Galicia in Spain, on the fiddle, is the wonderful Miss Paloma Rigas. And to my right, the king of space himself, hitting all these random things over here, and singing for you is the wonderful Mr. Tom Shepherd.
And last but not least, on the fiddle guitar on Anthony, we have the amazing Mr. Joe Broughton.
Now I'm sure, this being the kind of afternoon tea that it is, that many of you won't know us, never seen us before. We are the Folk Quartet, so I'll just give you a little tip to help things get off to a good start today. The tune that we're about to play you is the one that people always request. It's the one that they always want us to play. So I'm going to tell you what it's called. And if you could just respond like it's the one you were hoping we were going to do, that encourages and we'll play it all the better for you, okay? So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to play you a set of tunes now. It's called The Stony Step Set. A little bit sarcastic, but good anyway, thanks for that.
Galicia is in the northwest of Spain, and that's where I'm from. And it's actually known as the Wales of Spain, because it's equally beautiful. So we have a very strong Celtic connection in Galicia. We have our own language, which is called Gallego. It's a mixture of Spanish and Portuguese. We have our own traditional costumes and dance. And we have our own tunes as well, and they usually play in bagpipes.
Just stop me there a second, sorry, can I just interrupt? Because I think we're on this tour with about 20 dates around the UK at the moment, so we're quite near the beginning. But already, every time we get to after the show, someone comes and asks me the same question. They say, you know that Paloma, or usually Pavlova or Poloni, that's usually what it is. You said she was from Spain, she doesn't look or sound very Spanish, which is true, isn't it? So, to save me having that conversation too many times, can you just Spanish it up a bit? Can you do that?
Hola, ¿qué le dices? Un placer estar aquí esta tarde. Lo que pasa es que los pobres no me entienden.
So you've got no idea what you're saying now, but it's not going. What did you say, Cardiff?
Cardiff.
That's cool. That's very nice. Yeah, I think we are going to do some tunes from Galicia, but we can't tell what you're saying now. Can you just do it more like in English, but when you were learning and you couldn't do it so well?
Hello. How are you this afternoon? It is a pleasure to be here. I feel like my mother has 40 toes. Sí, señor Fortes, eventually.
Thankfully you don't look like him, so that's fine. This is a tune called Polka, that's my pronunciation, not quite so convincing, from our new album, Offbeat Tracks, and it's got a little bit for you to join in at the end. Are you the kind of people that like to join in with things? Okay. Sorry, because he's forgot the most important bit of the whole tune, and that is that Tom is going to play the triangle for you.
traditionally, normally, spontaneously and without any provocation from the band, the audience erupts into a fusion of gay dancing and rave culture! Okay, but it's kind of an afternoon gig, isn't it? So if you're not quite feeling the urge to leap out of your seat and throw some shapes, then why not do a bit of that good old-fashioned seat dancing, you know what I mean? All the fun but none of the jumping about. If you need a way in, we've got a lovely English dance that we take around whatever country we visit. We like to teach them a few traditional dances, and it goes it's really easy. It goes like this. You put your hands like this. It goes. That's it. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Egyptian, goldfish. Which, when we go to Italy, of course, that's grosso pesce, piccolo pesce, spettacolo. And we went to Belgium last year. The guy came up to me after the gig. He hadn't really understood the English. He said, Tom, I don't know really the English, but Flemish, I think. Anyway, whatever you'd like to do, we'd love to see you move. So this is the super offbeat return.
there, good job. Good job. We have time for just one quick more tune for you. We're on Toilet Hall this month. We've got flyers over there, we've got CDs over there. Don't go without a CD. Especially, I know those people who have taken all the films for themselves. You'll want a CD so you've got the proper sound on it, I know you will. We are the Urban Folk Quartet. Once more, please, Frank Wood on guitar. Colin McCriggett on the fiddle. Tom Chapman on the guitar.
Joe Carter.
We'll finish off with this one. It's called Cajun Bean Curd. We have to do it last because we have to get in the ambulance afterwards. So we're really not playing anymore after this. You've got a whole day's worth of fantastic acts and fantastic entertainment coming up. So I hope you're going to hang around for that. And thank you, amazing Millennium Centre. Thank you for having us. It's been really, really great. Here we go.